Hi, it's Kathy Deeks, and I'm here to just discuss the Plasminogen Activator and a little bit out of my comfort zone as I'm away from home and taking care of the needs of my mother, my elderly mother, who is in the hospital right now, and I had to fly down to Minneapolis unexpectedly this morning. I normally am a big PowerPoint user with all kinds of fun clips and all the bells and whistles. I've done presentations for years, but I have a new Mac and I can't even figure out how to pull up PowerPoint or Word, so I'll be submitting a one-page document kind of my outline and a little bit of, well, my references. And so let's just get started. Okay, so a stroke is when the blood supply to the brain is interrupted or reduced, and the brain tissue doesn't get enough oxygen or nutrients, and so ischemia occurs. There are two main kinds of strokes: the ischemic, which is the blocked artery in the brain, or the hemorrhagic, which is the leaked or ruptured blood vessel. So blocked or leaked are the two. Ischemic is the most common, and that is the blocked or narrowed blood vessel as caused by fatty deposits that build up in the blood vessels and or blood clots or other debris that gets stuck and lodges in the brain vessels, the blood vessels of the brain. The tissue plasminogen activator is a unique component that has been intravenously fed to people after a stroke. The specifics on it are that it's a serine protease, which is the enzyme that cleaves peptide bonds, and it catalyzes the conversion of plasminogen to plasmin, which is the primary enzyme involved in dissolving blood clots. Generic names for it are alteplase, reteplase, and tenecteplase, but alteplase is the one that's most commonly used. On a cellular or molecular level action, it's a thrombolytic that's formed by aggregation of activated platelets into fibrin meshes by activating the plasminogen. It cleaves the zymogen on the arginine 561 to valine 562 peptide bond to form the serine protease plasmin, and it breaks the cross links between the fibrin molecules. The studies that I did in reviewing information about this is that it is successful in that it can dissolve clots so that blood flow can be restored and viable tissue can be reperfused. The summary of a big study of over 3,000 subjects that the Cleveland Clinic did was that there was definitely confirmed that there's an improved clinical outcome at 3 months, where there was a complete resolution of the neurological deficit or an improvement from baseline. I just wanted to also share, I used to do a lot of presentations for the Heart Association and throughout a 3-state area here in the Midwest. And so just because I love the Heart Association, and I've actually chaired the Heart Walk and the Heart Ride, and goodness, even back in college did jump rope for heart and stuff like that. I will just quickly review the risk factors for stroke would be uncontrolled hypertension, overweight and obesity, lack of physical activity, having diabetes, having high cholesterol, having sleep apnea, smoking, being overweight, using drugs such as cocaine or meth. And so once again, we're all about promoting health and wellness and preventative lifestyle. Going to Go Red for Women events that the Heart Association had me speak at were fun times for women to gather and just be reminded of the importance of taking care of our health and doing our best with the tools that we have. Okay, thank you.